Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg and I'm back with a new drawing video. Today I will challenge myself and I will try to redraw this drawing of Vegito, Goku and Vegeta Blue. This is maybe one of my best drawings. The idea with the fusion character in the middle and the other two in the back attacking is great. The coloring on this one is very well done. But you can see some mistakes. The faces of Goku and Vegeta are not perfect. The hands of Goku are too big, however the hand of Vegeta is too small. The shoulders of Vegito are way too low, but other than that, it's a really great drawing. Let's see if I can do better than this. Let's go guys!
Or just another fairy tale from the wishing well. Up in smoke you fade away. The angel on your shoulder has a devil's face. You're no saving grace. You're no saint, you just pretend. Or you had never sent me or a friend. Don't let me hold you down. Whoa, don't let me stop you now. And I'm feeling like I'm never gonna change. Go our separate ways. Who are you? You've always felt so far away. You cannot make me stay. Take control, play that role. My misery is out of control, and I'm not ready to come home. And I'm feeling like I'm never gonna change. Go our separate ways. Who are you? You've always felt so far away. You cannot make me stay. Go back to the place that we first met. Back to the place I can't forget. You made your choice, I'm so scarred. You thought evil when I thought you were. You're what I thought you were. And I'm feeling like I'm never gonna change.
So guys, last touch, and then we are done with creating a new artwork. And I have to say that the drawing turned out really good. Especially Goku and Vegito are looking fine. As you can see, I decided to draw Vegeta with firing the final flash instead of just charging it. So both Goku and Vegeta are firing their attacks. If we compare the two drawings, we can see that the proportions are way better on the new one. It's also drawn way cleaner, and I fixed the low shoulders of Vegito and the big hands of Goku. The faces of Vegeta and Goku are also way better on the new one. The only thing I like more on the old version is the coloring on the hair of Vegito. The color choices for the hair were a little better back then, because the hair is popping out more on the old drawing. I would say that's the only thing I could have done better for the new drawing. But what do you think, guys? Do you like the old or the new version? Let me know in the comments below. Also let me know if you want to see more Then vs Now art challenges by liking this video, and comment below which drawings you want to see recreated next. Subscribe if you are new, check out my real-time drawing channel, my online shop for original drawings, and follow me on Instagram. All the links down below, guys. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I see you on the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.